Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Level 20 and the time machine shell unlocked. Place the shell on an 8x8 flat pad, then attach a power source next to it so the game registers energy. Once done, lay a short track segment from the shell to a landscaped queue and set entry and exit points. Make sure paths use straight segments for stability. Curved segments can break ride connectivity. You're now ready to configure ride settings and guest flow. You now focus on the internal mechanics. Open ride settings and set speed to about 80% with a run duration of roughly 45 seconds so guests experience the sequence fully. Place brakes and sensors along the track to control carriage timing and add a half-second delay on the trigger that starts the visual effects. Once done, connect everything to the park power grid and run a test using a staff or dummy guest. This confirms sequencing. You finish by applying theming, strategic lights, fog, and a focal prop inside the time machine shell to mask seams and improve guest satisfaction. Once themed, run 5 full cycles while watching guest reactions, throughput, and uptime. Adjust queue size if clogs form. If the machine desynchronizes or stops, reset ride triggers first. If that fails, rebuild the problematic track piece and reattach sensors. Then retest immediately to confirm stability. This single troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.